Here's a tutorial how to create this Midnight Bat Halloween nails. As a base, I'll be using Lecenté Fusion Builder Gel in a shade 3. For the cat eye French, I'll be using High Tides Jelly Gel, mixing together with magnetic powder in shade Gamma Ray. When mixing magnetic powder, all you need is the tiniest amount mixed together with translucent jelly gel color. Make sure the gel color is properly mixed and then apply to the nail, draw the French design. Before curing, use Lecenté magnetic tool to create the effect and then fully cure it for 60 seconds. For the bat design of the French, I'll be using Lecenté black detail paint and a liner brush. The great news with this design, you don't need to be too precise with your original French because the bat design will cover all your little imperfections. The great news with Lecenté detail paint, it's well pigmented and in one run, so you can do the full design in one go without curing it. At the end, cure design fully and finish it with your Lecenté top coat. And here's the finished look, the Midnight Bat Halloween style design.